What is it, JJ? What are you doing? What is Kukla? Leave Kukla alone, JJ. JJ, I'm gonna eat. You want one of those, JJ? Don't take it. You can see it. You can't get to it. JJ, get it. Come on. JJ, look. You can do it, JJ. JJ, come on. You can do it. Come on, JJ. How do you get to the fruit, JJ? You can do it, JJ. It can't be that hard. Whoa! He got it. He got it. You got it, JJ. He knows how to get it now. Ah! JJ, get it. Hey! All right, JJ. I'll give you a piece, JJ. Okay. Stop. So, JJ, here. Come here. I'll give you. Stay, JJ. Stay. I'll get you a grape. Stop, JJ. Okay, JJ. Here's a grape. You want another one? Here. Take another one. JJ, you want another grape? I'm going to get some more grapes, JJ. Get all the grapes, JJ. Because I know that's what you like. Isn't it, JJ? Don't touch them, JJ. No! Hey! Don't steal the grapes. Okay, I'm going to give you more. Come on. You know where to put it. That's it. Another one? Get back. Don't stay there. Take another one. Another grape, JJ? Come on. I got a grape for you. Hey, take another one. This is a good one, JJ. This is a really good one, JJ. There you go. JJ. Come here, JJ. JJ, look, I got another grape. JJ. This is a really good one, JJ. JJ. JJ? Here. Stop dropping them, JJ. Eat them or don't take them. You little runt. You're cleaning them out. JJ. Take this one too. Come here, JJ. JJ. Oh, playing hard to eat now. Kukla will take it. Kukla, you want it? Yeah, take it. Good girl. JJ. JJ, here. What are you doing with the grapes, JJ? What are you doing? I don't believe it. You're cleaning the skin off. You little spoiled baboon. JJ, here. I don't believe you. JJ, eat the whole grape. Eat the grape, JJ. You already got the darn thing in your mouth. You got two of them sitting in your cheek. Eat it. Here, take another one. You are so greedy. There you go. Don't drop it, JJ. Yeah, that's right. Drop the grapes everywhere. Yep, that's right. What do you care? You don't have to pick it up. Here, have another one. No, bite it off, JJ. Bite it off. There you go. That's good. See that piece, come on. Come on, you can eat it. You've eaten so many. There you go. Good boy. You're such a pig. Look at your cheeks. You got all those grapes stuffed in your cheeks. You're making a mess of the place, JJ. Look what you did to my computer. You got grapes on the computer, grapes here. Kukla, have you been eating the grapes down there? Huh? Okay. All right, JJ. Why don't you go ahead and get a ride with Kukla? Let's go upstairs. Come on. Hop a ride, JJ. Let's go, Kooks. Come on, Kooks. JJ, hop a ride. There you go. Let's go, Kook. Up. Come on. JJ, hop a ride. Let's go. Kook. Give JJ a ride. He's tired. He's been eating all day. He's tired. Kook, come here. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Okay, come on, JJ. Hop a ride. Hop a ride, JJ. Come on, let's go upstairs. Come on, Kook. Hop a ride, JJ. Here's your bus. Let's go, JJ. Come on. Come on, Kook. Ella. Go. Hop a ride, JJ. Kook. Give JJ a ride. Let's go. JJ, come on. Come on, JJ. There you go. Come on, Kook. Kook, come on. Upstairs. Let's go. Come on, Kook. Ella. Ella, Kook. Kook, go to your bed, baby. Go to your bed. There you go. Good girl. Time to sleep, Kook? JJ. JJ. Still eating those grapes, aren't you? You are so funny, JJ. Kook? What are you doing, baby? Come here, hello. So, Kook, stay. Lie down, baby. Lie down. Lie down, Kooks. Lie down. Good girl. Thank you. Where's it, JJ? JJ, do you like Kukla? Kook, stay. Stay, Kook. JJ, do you love Kukla? Stay, Kook. Good Kook. Good Kukla. Good girl. Good girl, Kukla. Good girl, Kukla. Kukla, I think JJ loves you. I mean, I could be wrong, but the two of you make a good pair. Kook? Kook? Kukla? What is it, baby? What is it, baby? Stay, Kook. Stay, Kook. She's gonna groom you. JJ, stop that.